This is day 163 and today we are looking at how to group Excel columns and rows. So suppose you have data in your worksheet but you want to only show certain columns. For example, here I have the average column which I want to emphasize on. Perhaps I'm using it for presentation and I don't want to show all the details. So I would want to be able to collapse or to hide all these columns instantly and also be able to unhide them as quickly as possible. So I can make use of a group functionality. As you can see here, I can hide them quickly by just clicking this one here and also unhide them by clicking the two here. And also I can do the same with the rows as well. I can hide them and unhide them quickly. So how can you do this? To group data, you go to your data tab, and then when you select the columns that you want to group, if you want to group columns, for example, then you go to outline and you say group. So you can see here automatically it adds 1 and 2, which means that currently we are at level 2. If we want to hide, we click on level 1. With the rows as well, you do the same. You select the rows that you want to hide and you go to outline again and select group. Note that I'm only selecting up from candidate here up to here, because if I select this one, the average one, it will be also be hidden. But I want to show it, so I don't select it. I only select up to candidate 17 here. Then I say group. So if I group 1, you can see it's now level 1. Then I can expand it. So this is how you can group rows or columns. If you have enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.